Let's see 10 pathways which will suit an ACCA graduate. First, in companies there are people who prepare financial reports such as income statement, balance sheet, cash flow statements. So when they are preparing these reports, they will obviously refer the standards. The people who are doing this, we will call them as financial accountants. Number two, there are people in companies who will do costing, planning and budgeting, forecasting. These kind of tasks are done by management accountants. Third, there are people to check whether the financial reports are prepared properly, whether the compliance in the company is there in place properly. So the people who are doing this, we will call them as auditors. So auditors can be internal auditors as well as external auditors. 4. Let it be individuals, let it be companies. For the individual, for the income that they are generating, for the companies, for the profit that they are generating, they have to pay tax. So the tax planning, tax strategy, tax compliance, all these tasks are done by tax consultants. If not, we'll call them as tax advisors. 5. There are people to investigate financial frauds in the organizations. So these people will call them as forensic accountants. 6. To make investment decision, to make business strategy, we need financial data to be analyzed. So there are people who analyze these financial data. We will call them as financial analysts. 7. Liquidity management, cash management and making proper investments. So these are certain very important things for an organization. So these tasks are done by treasury analysts. 8. To reduce the potential financial losses of the company, to mitigate the financial risk of the company, certain people are working. We will call them as financial risk managers. 9. You can be a person who teach finance for a student. So you can be a lecturer. 10. Using the ACCA knowledge, you can be an entrepreneur or business owner. Now you might wonder, why didn't I tell CFO, Chief Financial Officer? Whatever the role that you are selecting, it will allow you to develop your career to CFO level. So the 10 job roles that I told you are not only the job roles that you have if you complete ACCA. You can get into non-finance as well. When it comes to the finance itself, there are much more job roles or the parts that you can get into. These are not only the ones. So I told you only 10 pathways that you have if you complete ACCA that you can get into. So I hope you enjoyed this video and you got some valuable inputs. What are the pathways a student will have if they have done ACCA? So if you like my video, please don't forget to like it and make sure to subscribe my channel and on the bell icon as well. If I post any videos in the future, you will be able to watch it. And at last, I want to tell, if you feel there are much more suitable job roles for ACCA, please make sure to post a comment.